Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PostgreSQL on VPS with secure roles, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a reliable VPS provider and creating your account. Once your account is set up, log into the control panel of your VPS provider. Select the option to create a new virtual server. Choose your desired operating system, such as Ubuntu or CentOS. Configure your server specifications, including memory, CPU, and storage. After setting up, launch your virtual server and connect to it using SSH from your terminal. Use the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP to access your server. Once logged in, update your package manager with the command sudo apt update for Ubuntu or sudo yum update for CentOS. Next, install PostgreSQL using the command sudo apt install PostgreSQL contribution on Ubuntu or sudo yum. After the installation, start the PostgreSQL service with sudo system to start PostgreSQL. Enable PostgreSQL to start on boot using sudo system to enable PostgreSQL. Next, switch to the PostgreSQL user using the command sudo iu-postgres. Access the PostgreSQL command line interface by typing PSQL. Begin by setting a password for the default PostgreSQL user with the command \password postgres. Exit the PostgreSQL shell by typing \q. Next, navigate to the PostgreSQL configuration file located at /etc/postgresql/xx/main/pg_hba.conf for Ubuntu or /var/lib/pg_data/pg_hba.conf for CentOS. Open the file with a text editor using sudo nano pg_hba.conf. Change the authentication method for local connections to MD5 to enforce password authentication. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Now, restart the PostgreSQL service to apply the changes using sudo system to restart PostgreSQL. Return to the PostgreSQL shell as the Postgres user. Create a new role for your application with the command create role your_role with login password your_password. Grant privileges to the new role with the command grant all privileges on database your_database to your_role. Create your database by executing create database your_database owner your_role. Optionally, you can create additional roles with different permissions based on your application requirements. To enhance security, ensure the PostgreSQL service is listening only on localhost or specific IP addresses. Edit the PostgreSQL.conf file located in the same directory as pg_hba.conf. Set the listen_addresses parameter to localhost or your VPS's IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.